Okay, now this video is for the red cover, white faced F-100 4-bill swinger amplifier with 6 JE6C Sylvania tubes in it. I am on a dummy load. I can't use it on citizens band, but first, before I show you what it's putting out, I gotta tell you about this Paradynamics matcher, SWR meter, and 100 watt meter. That thing is great for money. Don't let nobody tell you nothing bad about it, because that thing works really, really good for the money. So if you have a match problem, matching something, just get you one of these. You don't need one of them big fancy amateur radio ones. But anyway, driving this with a Galaxy 2517, and let's see here. Hello, audio testing, 1 2 3 4 5. About 80 watt dead key. I'm going to put it in swinger mode, which isn't really that much difference. About the same dead key. Audio. Hello. Testing, 1 2 3 4 5. Audio. Hello. Alright, that's it. That's a FIREBIRD F-100. Sure does take a long time to upload these videos. But anyway, y'all take care now.